Hi, this is Frela from Any House Cleaning, and this is a move out. We were hired by a company, a management company here in Davenport, Florida. This house has 4 bathrooms. 4, and 4 bedrooms, so 5 bedrooms. This is the condition of the house. I'm gonna show you in a while. There is garbage that the management company was supposed to remove. So in order to vacuum the carpets, I have to take down all the garbage and put it in bags. Another situation here is everything must be clean. Hilda is cleaning right now the kitchen area, the cabinets, the top cabinets. Aproveche que esté ahí para limpiar si llega, si no, no. The floor is in really bad shape. She already put some cleaning products that we use Mr. Muscle in the oven. So we put the product so the product will do the job. Also, because we are gonna do the cleaning, I offered to do the carpet, steam the carpets. The carpets are in really, really bad shape, and I told the owner that I can make it better, but I no warranty that all the stains will come out. She agreed. This is the condition of the carpets. The bathroom bad shape, everything is dusty. As you see here, we have to remove the van and clean it really good. We have to sweep the garage. Also, I'm gonna show you everything. A lot of vacuum, a lot of pet hair, dirt. We have to sweep the garage. The funny thing is that I came to this house when there was the tenant before. I remember that we were hired to clean the house and also organize. I have a video where Sandra was doing the organization, all the pots, the glasses in this kitchen. I remember because I know the location. And I remember Sandra organizing some Cuban wood things that they came from Cuba. Also, I remember that day I was proactive and I bought a container. It was a toy container that was here. I can put the video. And she said, we have a lot of toys. But before heading to the house, I went to offer up and look for the toys container. And we bought the stand and I charged. You know what? I paid like $40 for the container. I'm not paying for my travel to pick it up. But I can, after I process this video, maybe I did this video, I don't know. I'm gonna put in the description on your right side the link when Sandra was organizing this house. We have all the toys here. I don't know how you go back. Let's see. Okay, another thing. Okay, I will show you the house. This is how you enter. This area was the toy area, the dining over there, hallway. This is the garbage. Here was the living area. I remember that. Dining, kitchen area. One room here. I remember that she likes sewing, and she make the sewing machine here. I remember this house. And I never entered to this room before. It was one of the kids. Maybe they smoke, I don't know, but there is a lot of stains and garbage on the carpet. I don't know if you can see, but the condition of the carpet is really bad. A lot of trash. The management company already have the company to steam the carpets. But since I'm already here, I say, you know what? I have my machine here. I have the truck mount, everything here. So I will give you a really good rate if you combine the house cleaning with the carpet. Maybe I'm gonna do the tile too because I already have the machines and everything. You can see the stairs, a lot of pet hair, a lot of hair because this family is an Afro-American family and a lot of black hair, curly. So let me record slowly so you will see. I already vacuumed 2 rooms. I already put the products in the toilet. So the product is gonna help me to spend less time. A lot of hair. This is the stairs. I already removed the garbage from these 2 rooms. I already vacuumed. You already see much better. Just vacuuming. I didn't do nothing yet. Before cleaning the carpets, we have to clean, do the house cleaning, the windows at the edges, the doors, the baseboards. This is the other room. A lot of carpet in this house, a lot of stains, but in one day I can cover more and offer more services and earn a little bit more. So this room was full of garbage. I have to remove the garbage in order to vacuum. The ceiling fan, you see, I already put the product inside the toilet, but the condition is bad. But since I will put the truck mount, it's gonna be easy to clean this. Yeah. Cabinets inside and out. Have to remove everything. That's the first step in order to vacuum. So let me show you downstairs. Okay? Again. The kitchen. I didn't record properly the kitchen. Another thing that I want to talk is about this morning. This morning I received a phone call from someone requesting a price for a house in Davenport. He asked me, are you familiar with Davenport area? Of course. I do my advertising in Davenport area. Did I record this? All the kitchen, all the cabinets are stained. We have to also do the refrigerator. Okay, the floor is really bad. I'm gonna clean it really, really good.
And so sticky.
Yeah, sticky, but we are gonna fix that. Okay, about the call that I received in the morning. Let me talk to you like this. How can I talk? Okay, in the morning I received a phone call, right? Are you familiar with Davenport area? Yes, I'm familiar with Davenport area. How much will you charge for 3 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms? Well, I have to see the house in order to give you the estimate. Yeah, but just let me know how much will you charge. So, as I said, I have to see the house in order to do the estimate. The house is with furniture, but it's empty. I cannot show you the house because I live in another state. I go every 2 months, I spend some time there, and I come back. But this is no vacation home. And I want to be clean every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks, you don't live there, there is no vacation home. Something is fishy. I have so many calls that people just call me in order to know how much I charge. If you are a cleaning company, just call me. Say, Fiorella, I have a business in whatever, in Orlando, in Kissimmee. I don't care if you are closer or far. This is the situation. How much will you charge? And I will tell you. So that call was fishy, doesn't make sense. Even if that's true, that the person just spends some days in a house every 2 months and he wants to clean every 2 weeks, that person might have money. And the person that has money doesn't worry about how much will you charge. That's the point of view that I have. So people will call you just to know how much are your rates. My suggestion is don't say any rate unless you see the house, because even if you go to the house and even if you check the house, even if you do the estimate in person, one thing is seeing the house in 5 minutes and another thing is cleaning and elbow grease and do the proper job. So my suggestion is not give any price without seeing the property. Of course, if you don't have a job, if you are broke, if you don't have $1 in your pocket, even if you are depressed on your bed crying, and somebody call you, you say 100. Who cares? You take 8 hours, you do something, and you are productive. But if you're running a business, you have to pay employees, supplies, equipment. You have to ask for the proper money that is according to the service. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and this Hilda doing a really good job in the cabinets, in the kitchen cabinets. I'm gonna still working in this house. We have a lot of things to do. It's hard. I don't know if they have AC, I guess. Take care, okay? Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, 407-572-4118. Another thing that I want to talk to you is I'm going to make another video Friday, Saturday. No, I don't know when, but as soon as I can. We have to talk of things that happen when you have problem with a client. My friend from New York called me, or we talked, and she had some argument with the client, and she feel humiliated by the client. And she was pissed off, sad, she was crying. And I was talking with Sylvia, that had our business in New York, and I said, let's talk about this situation, because things happen in the cleaning business, especially when you're Latin. People think that you are, I don't know, they treat you really bad. And we have to talk about that, okay? Take care. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Bye.